You are so tired. Not the kind of tired that sleep fixes. Not the kind that a weekend off can touch. This is something deeper. Something that has settled into your bones, into the spaces between your ribs, into the quiet moments when you finally stop moving and realize you don't remember the last time you exhaled all the way. You are tired of being the strong one. It wasn't something you signed up for. You didn't raise your hand and volunteer for this role. It just happened. Somewhere along the way, you became the person who holds it together, the one who stays calm when everything is falling apart, the one who carries and carries and carries because someone has to, and it always seems to be you. And you've done it. You've been doing it for so long now that people don't even question it anymore. They come to you with their problems, their pain, their chaos. They lean on you because you've proven over and over that you can take the weight, that you won't buckle, that you'll figure it out, fix it, manage it, absorb it. And you do, every single time. But no one asks what it costs you. No one sees you at the end of the day when the door closes and the world goes quiet and you finally let your shoulders drop. No one sees the way your face changes when you're alone, the way you sit on the edge of your bed sometimes and just stare at nothing, feeling hollow in places that used to feel full. You are so good at being okay that people have forgotten you might not be. And the loneliest part is that you've trained them to forget. You've smiled when you wanted to scream. You've said, "I'm fine," so many times that even you almost believe it now. You've held other people's broken pieces while your own quietly scattered on the floor, unseen and uncollected. You have become invisible inside your own strength. There are moments, small ones, when you just want to stop. Not forever, not dramatically, just for a breath. Just long enough for someone to look at you, really look at you, and say, "You don't have to carry this right now. I've got it. Rest." But you're afraid of what happens if you actually let go. You're afraid that everything you've been holding will come crashing down, that the people who depend on you will see the cracks you've been hiding, that they'll look at you differently, that they'll be disappointed or scared, or that they'll leave because the version of you they needed was the unbreakable one, and this isn't that. So you keep going. You wake up, you show up, you hold the line, you answer the call, fix the crisis, carry the burden. You make it look easy, even when it's destroying you slowly from the inside out. And sometimes, late at night, you wonder who you even are underneath all of this. You've been so strong for so long that you can't remember what it felt like to be soft, to be held, to be the one who gets to fall apart while someone else catches the pieces. You miss that, even if you never really had it. You miss the idea of it, the hope of it. There's a quiet grief in being the strong one. A loneliness that no one talks about. Because how do you explain that you're drowning when everyone sees you as the shore? You keep waiting for someone to notice, to look past the composure and see the exhaustion in your eyes, to ask the question that no one ever asks you, "Are you okay, really?" And when they don't, you tell yourself it's fine, that you can handle it, that you've handled worse. But you're tired of handling it. You're tired of being the anchor when you feel like you're sinking. You're tired of being everyone's calm in the storm when your own storm has been raging for years. And here's what you need to know, even if you don't fully believe it yet. Being tired doesn't mean you failed. It means you've been showing up, over and over, in ways no one fully sees. You have been showing up. And that kind of strength, the quiet kind, the everyday kind, the kind that doesn't get applause or recognition, it costs something. It has always cost something. You are not weak for reaching your limit. You are not broken for wanting to put this down. You are human, and humans are not meant to carry the weight of the world without ever setting it down. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to need. You are allowed to be soft and tired and uncertain and still be worthy of the same care you give so freely to everyone else. One day, the right person will look at you and see it all. The strength and the exhaustion, the holding on and the quiet breaking. And they won't ask you to be strong. They'll just sit beside you in the heaviness and let you breathe. Until then, let this be that moment. You are seen. You are more than the weight you carry, and you are allowed to be tired without